I was speaking, we had Mamta Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, at the India Today conclave yesterday. And I spoke to her, I spoke to other senior Trinamool leaders who've been here at the conclave. And the sense that I got was that the TMC believes that Dinesh Trivedi is ungrateful, that you lost your Lok Sabha election in Barrackpore, that despite that you were nominated by Didi to the Rajya Sabha, and despite that, right ahead of the elections, instead of supporting the party when it needs you the most, the party that gave you as much as it did, Dinesh Trivedi, you are accused by the Trinamool Congress of backstabbing them.
Well, on the contrary, I've given them the leeway that they can choose whoever they want to choose. So, as a matter of fact, I have taken a bold decision that I have given them total ground free. Now they can choose anybody else they want, and I've got 5.5 years left. If I would have done this thing after the election results, and if supposing if TMC had lost and I had decided this, then somebody would have said, you are an opportunist. I have not done purposely then. Because I knew that during this election, what do I talk? There's nothing I could talk. So it's better I leave. When I must tell you, when Narada happened, I had told the party that those who are tempted, please keep them away. But they didn't believe. They said, no, it was not done. Then said that the money came from Dubai. I said, both the things can't happen. I said, accept it and let party don't take the blame. Let the individual take it on. And if they have done something wrong, they must face it. They must accept it why they have taken this. I became a bad guy. In 2016, Mamta Banerjee herself said that Dinesh Trivedi will not campaign. I said the right thing against corruption, against violence. It's not the first time. I have been at it. But when I realized that we have reached the end of the tunnel, and end of the tunnel, there is another tunnel. There is no light. What do? You sit in the house, enjoy a big bungalow in Delhi at taxpayers' money. That's not satisfaction, no? So I have only good wishes for all my colleagues in TMC, Mamta Banerjee. They are free to say whatever they want to say. Well, don't forget that TMC and Mamta Banerjee also walked out of Atal Bihari Vajpayee when Atalji needed her the most. And I was the one who told Mamtaji that please come and meet Atalji. I had fixed up an appointment also. But that didn't happen. Whatever Mamtaji wanted, Atalji did. But in spite of that, he walked out. He wanted a resignation of George Fernandez. She wanted so many other things. Everything was accepted, but still. So ये नहीं होता है कि होलसेल में आप चले जाओ तो वो दगा नहीं होता है. इंडिविजुअल जाओ तो वो दगा होता है. Today you are fighting against Congress. Tomorrow you join hands with the Congress. तो वो दगा नहीं होता है. तो ये तो अपने पर है. As long as my conscience is clear, as long as I am happy with it, I have to look into my own conscience first and then the rest.